Welcome to the main page of your personal environment. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Solution Toolbox. You are now on the page where a new case is created. Fill in your name, fill in the license plate, and then press the search button. The vehicle data is collected. Check it for accuracy. Fill in the year of construction. In this case, it is not a DBKA engine code, but the CRKB. Now select the category and complaint. Fill in the complaint description and already executed activities here. Finally, fill in the error codes without any extra text and click on Save. The error case is now saved and the screen refreshes automatically. Here you have direct access to schemes, solutions, options to create a diagnosis report, advice and response from helpdesk. Press a button and find out what's underneath. An addition can be made here, with which a solution can be passed on or the help of the help desk can be switched on. Hope to see you soon in your personal environment for the Solution Toolbox.